Hey you guys, it's your girl Simply Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can already see from the title, we're gonna be reviewing the JR Pops.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying.
Super cute, super adorable. I ended up obviously getting the pink. You guys know I love the pink and blue scheme here. There's actually a blue like I want to say like glow around it, and also I just really enjoy this band now that the weather is getting nicer, and hopefully we can at least start, you know, bringing our social distancing a little bit closer with the nice weather. This would be a really nice accessory while going in the park, or if you have a small get together and you wanted to get some great sound in that room. So it comes basically like this package, which it's in this type of plastic container, as you guys can see. That's what it comes in. I love the fact that when I purchased the item, which I purchased it at Target, you can get it online or through the JBL site. But when I went into the physical store, you guys, I love the fact that it was sealable, so I can actually put the item back in. I didn't have to get scissors and cut it, because basically that's kind of like a pet peeve of mine, like especially if I'm on the go, or if I wanted to purchase this like on the go or on a quick vacation. So it came in this. I'm going to show you guys the charger if I could find it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what came inside of here, inside of this plastic. It was this cute little pink box that had all the instructions, the book, and all that stuff wrapped in one, along with the charger, JBL charger that was in here. This is the only two items that came with the purchase, just the speaker and the charger. So that's what you would find in here. You would just plug it up here. That's how it looks connected, and just either get a power adapter or plug it into your PlayStation or Xbox or whatever power supply that you have to charge it. And that's it. So we're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna let you guys see. This is what it looks like on. Yes, so this is what it looks like on. Basically, as you guys can see, the lights kind of light up around it, and once you start playing music, then basically you'll see the color changing in the actual speaker. So let's test that, and I'm gonna play something. I do not own the copyrights to any of these songs. I'm just letting YouTube know ahead of time in this video, even before I put it in the description. So in this situation, I'm going to play some Shensia. This is right now.
Too hot for them. Me inna them face like the acne them. Them all 10 man just like the taxi them. Mash up and down like the accident.
This is bringing it down.
Skin face pretty like
bringing it down. Once you bring it down, this is what it looks like. And I can also turn off the color selection, well, the lighting selection, and that's what it sounds like when you turn it off. And then you can just press that same button right there, and it'll turn it back on. And then these are the volume buttons, and then the power button right here. So I really like this, and it's perfect to give to younger audiences as well. If you have someone at a younger age and they need a little speaker, it's perfect birthday gift, perfect Christmas gift for sure. I'm going to say, I'm gonna let you guys know what you've been waiting for, which is the price point, right? That's basically is like, how much is it, girl? So this is retailed at $39.99. A great price, I feel like, $40 for this. Very durable, super cute, lightweight carry, and as you guys can hear from the moment I started it up, it's super loud, it's perfect. So definitely great purchase for $39.99. So if I was you, I definitely give this a pass, a CC pass on our tech review. So yeah, I'm feeling this. You definitely get a plus JBL for making this one. So thank you guys. I hope you guys truly enjoyed seeing this review and you know getting new gadgets and gizmos for summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to thumbs up and comment the next review that you would like me to do. So thank you so much. CC out. Bye.